time. That's going to do it for today. That was the E36 M3 teardown. Going to start pulling on it tomorrow. Got to get the apron straightened out and the frame rails. Pissing all over the seat here. Co-workers are not going to be happy with me. But yeah, so car's torn down. You see the carnage. Aprons are both bent. Everything's got to be pulled back straight. Frame rails are bent and over. And we're going to get this thing set up, tied down tonight. And then tomorrow it's going to be pulled. So we'll pick up tomorrow once we start pulling on it and show you guys everything coming straight back. What's up, everybody? We're back at it again. Round 2. Today's the pull day. Looks like they got this thing strapped down last night on the machine. There's the shop cat. Kitty.1 is in every morning looking for some food, so we're gonna get him fed while we wait for the guys to get here. There you go, kitty. As you saw yesterday, this side, the driver's side frame rail's fucked. So this thing needs to get pulled straight. They're gonna clamp it. They're gonna get the tower hooked up to the machine. This side, the passenger side of the apron, is also pretty fucked up. So this has gotta get clamped and pulled back out straight again. See, it's all tied down. And we're gonna start making some pulls on this thing. So let's jump into it once this dude gets here. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Gonna wrap this one up today. All the pulling and most of the bodywork is all done. We got the rails pulled back straight again. The aprons are pulled back straight. Everything's back in factory spec primer and repainted red. We're gonna start getting the final assembly going for the start of next week. All the parts are gonna be based, I think, tomorrow. We'll see. We gotta get everything set up in the booth and then start moving forward with paint. So next week we'll have another video out showing the final assembly, final paint work, sanding, buffing, and then the delivery. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, and we will keep these videos coming. Just got to keep the algorithm picking them up and dumping content like this in your feed. So thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.